Hello friends, this is your astrologer Sandeep Kataria and I welcome you on this channel. In this video, we are going to discuss in detail how the year 2022 is going to shape up in the lives of Taurus natives. First of all, let us discuss that what are the main topics of this video. Number one, we will discuss the transits of major planets during the year 2022 over your horoscope. Then we will discuss that how the year is going to shape up for the natives of your zodiac sign in the year 2022. Also, I will discuss some important aspects of your life such as career, money, finance, love, relationship and married life, family life, health and education. Along with this, I will also tell you what kind of remedial measures you can apply in case you face any difficulties during the year 2022. And as bonus, I will give you some more tips towards the end of this video. Therefore, to get full benefit of astrology, do watch the video till the end. 12th April, Rahu enters Aries sign. This is your 12th house. 13th April, Jupiter enters Pisces sign, which is your 11th house. 29th April, Saturn enters Aquarius sign and it is your 10th house. 5th June, Saturn retrogrades in Aquarius. 12th July, Saturn enters Capricorn sign and it is your 9th house. 29th July, Jupiter retrogrades in Pisces sign. 23rd October, Saturn turns direct in Capricorn sign. General trends. Since the last 2 years have been turbulent, it is hoped that the year 2022 will bring forth better results for the Taurus natives. For example, the transit of Jupiter in Pisces sign in your 11th house definitely indicates better overall gains such as more profit for business persons, better salaries for employed natives, increase in a circle of friends, expansion of network, and realization of some of the desires. The year 2022 may start on a good note, so try to make the most of it. Your planning and actions will coordinate well, resulting in good achievements. Naturally, this can then be the reason for success and celebration. Love and romance. It is hoped that right from the beginning of the year, the Taurus natives are going to be lucky in the matters of love and romance. Those looking to enter into a relationship may find the period during June 18 to July 13 good, as it would increase your personal charm and self-confidence. You will get good support from your beloved or the life partner as the case may be. Your love partner will help you improve your self-image and will support you throughout. In 2022, Taurus married life shall also be excellent. Some natives may enjoy income with the help of their partner. Be prepared to cherish this time and make the most of it. Spend quality time with your partner. Try to indulge in the activities that you have been longing to do together. It could be going on trips or having a special dinner. Career. As mentioned earlier, the employed as well as the business owners can look forward to better overall gains. The business owners are likely to experience a better flow of profits. Also, the Taurus natives are likely to experience an increase in their confidence level. The business owners are likely to plan more ambitiously. Those in the job are likely to get encouragement and appreciation from their seniors. Due to the transit of Saturn, Taurus natives are likely to enjoy better stability in their careers. Those looking for a job after completion of their education will not have to wait for a very long time. As indicated already, you are luckier this year. Some of you may get to experience good success in new initiative about your work and profession. So if you have been thinking about taking up a new initiative, then this is the time to try out. However, you are going to see and get good news after the month of April. To be specific about timings, the months of May, June, September, October and November are likely to bring rewarding results. Your achievements will be high around these months. Before proceeding ahead with the rest of the forecast, here is an important announcement. This forecast is a general one based on your zodiac sign and the transit of planets. If you want specific astrological advice from us based on your individual horoscope, you are welcome. The individual predictions will be based on your unique horoscope, the position of the planets, the dasha system, transit, divisional chart, etc., etc. Just call us and book an appointment for consultation. Of course, this would be a paid service. And now let us continue with the rest of the forecast for the year 2022. Most of the trends seem to be positive with regard to money and finance aspects of the Taurus natives. As already mentioned, you are likely to earn more and receive better income. However, you should be prepared with a budget to check your tendency of overspending due to your better social interaction with professional contacts and friends. This year, many of you may also notice an improvement in building assets compared to the previous year or the previous times. Overall, the Taurus native is likely to receive a number of good opportunities to increase their level of income, and they should not let any good opportunity slip out of their hands. Education. For the students also, it is hoped that the year 2022 proves to be a better one over the previous years. Students will enjoy their studies and therefore will get good results. Those desirous of going in for higher education will have their dreams fulfilled. Health. If you have suffered fitness problems for a long time, they may not be a problem anymore, as per your 2022 horoscope. Some of the Taurus natives may develop allergic reactions through medicine or something else. Additionally, if you commit to eating right and working out, there may be improvement in your fitness level. Therefore, it is advised that you maintain a healthy diet as well. The good news is that if some of you have been addicted to something like junk food, etc., you may gather sufficient motivation and self-control to give up such bad habits. Would you like to learn astrology or numerology? We have created 3 video courses specially for you, and you can learn astrology, numerology or remedial measures from the comfort of your home. For more information about these courses, you may call us on the number which is on your screen now, or you may click on the link which is given in the description box below. Now let us talk about the rest of the forecast for the year 2022. For overall wellness, donate white items like sugar in the temple. You may like to increase the use of green color to increase your focus and concentration. Do acts of charity. Lucky numbers 5 and 6. Lucky colors white, silver, bright, blue, etc. In case you want to watch this forecast in Hindi, then the link to that video is given in the description box below. Friends, please do like and share this video. After subscribing the channel, also click on the bell icon. I wish you a very happy and a very prosperous year ahead.